Hello dear students, today I am going to explain how can we compare the fractions with the examples. So this example is already in your textbook. So that one I am going to explain. So you will get a more understanding about how we are comparing this one. Actually this question is to arrange it in ascending order, isn't it? To arrange these numbers in ascending order, we must know which one is small and which one is big, isn't it? So first we need to find out we need to convert into the equivalent fractions to find out which one is small and which one is big. Okay, to convert into the equivalent fractions, that means the method we are following here is make this all denominators same. Understand? Then only we can find out which one is small and which one is big. Okay, so we need to do what? Make this denominators same, not a numerator, denominators. That means we need to find which is the common number, that is LCM, lowest common multiple of these numbers. So we need to find out the LCM of these denominators. So okay, so what is the first method? We need to find out the LCM. Okay, so that is the first one. So I am going to find out the LCM of what? The first number. First number means in first number only take the denominator. Okay, what is the denominator? 5. It is a prime number, so we can write as 1 into 5 or simply 5. Okay, 1 into 5 also no problem. Okay, so second one. Okay, I am going to do the factorization to find out we need to find out the LCM of these three numbers. Understand? So taking the next number 15 we need to do the prime factorization. Okay, so 15, how can we write 15? 2 is not possible. It is an even number. It is an odd number. So we need to take which number next? 3. In 3's table 15 is there. So 3 I am writing. How many times of 3 makes 15? How many times? 5 3's are 15 we got. 5 is a prime number. So we can stop there. Our factorization is over. If we got a prime number, we can stop there. Okay. 3 5's are 15. So 15 I wrote that what? 3 into 5. Got it? Now take the next number. 12. Okay, 12. 12 how can we do? You can see that is an even number. So 2 we can start. 2. How many times of 2 makes 12? 6. 6 is again it's an even number. 2 we can write 2, 3. Now we can finish there because we got a prime number. Okay. So 12 we can write as 2 into 3. Okay. So now we need to, this is the important thing. Now we need to find out the LCM of 5, 15 and 12. What are these 5, 15 and 12? These are our denominators. So what is the LCM of what? These three numbers we need to find out. Okay. So how can we find out? Listen here. In this part most of you make mistakes. Okay. So LCM of these numbers. LCM of 5, 15, 12. Okay. What is the LCM? How can we find out? Here you can see that here in the 5 and 15, 5 is repeating. 2 5s you can see here. Okay. From this pair you can take a 1 5. Okay. From this pair you can take a 1 5. You can see that 3 is repeating in 15 and also we can see that in 3. So in 12. So from this also we can take a pair. So we can write a 5 into 3. Okay. Now look at that. Now which is the next number? 2 is there. Thus 2 is making a pair. Maybe you think that this is a pair. It is not a pair because this 2 is only for 12. If 1 2 was here only, you can make a pair. Okay. If 2 is on here means you can take, or 2 is on here also you can take. But this 2 is repeating on these steps, you cannot take that way. So we have to write this all 2's. That means you have to write 2 2's here. Now multiply. 5 3's are 15. 15 into 2. Now it is over, isn't it? 2 2's are now only 1 remaining. That's we don't need to take. So 5 3's are 15. 15 to 30. 30 into 60. Now we got a what? LCM 60. Okay. So we need to convert these following fractions in terms of 60. That means denominator 60. That is our next step. Okay, so you understand how we got the LCM. Now I am going to explain the next step. I am erasing this one. If you need to know about this one again, you have to watch the video back. Okay. Now 60 we got. Okay. Now I am going to convert these fractions in terms of 60. Okay. So 3 by 5 is there. Okay. So I am 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 is there. 3 by 5 how can we convert? I am going to convert this 5 in terms of 60. See? So I need to get in denominator what 60. That means which number? I am going to convert into equivalent fraction of this number. That I am going to do. Okay, because our LCM is 60. So we need to convert into the what terms of 60. Okay. Now To convert it in terms of 60, we have to multiply 5 with a number, isn't it? So how many times of 5 is 60? How many times? You can use your common sense, because 5 times are 50, isn't it? Then 5 11s are 55. 5 12s are what? 60. So if I am multiplying 12 only, I can get what? 60 here. Okay, same thing you have to do on here. That is the important thing. So I converted this one in terms of 60, isn't it? LCM is the 60. So I need to convert in the terms of 60. To convert that one into 60, I need to multiply. I need to multiply with 12. Same thing I have to multiply on the numerator too. So 12 into 3 you can do. 12 into 3 means 3 to 6, 36 you will get it. So you will get a 36 by 60. That is the first one. So I converted into what? This one into terms of 60. So it is over 30 by 60. Now take the next number, 4 by 50. Okay. To convert 15 into what is 60, that is the next one, LCM. Okay, so I need to multiply which number, that one you have to check. Okay, 15 times of actually 4 is what is 60. To 60 you will get. Okay, just you can check with the 2 you will get 30, 3 you will get 45, then 4 you will get 60. So I need to multiply with the 4 to get 60. Same thing you have to do on the numerator too. Then will you get 16 by 60. Okay. Now take the next number, that is our what is 7 by 12. Okay, 7 by 12 also I need to multiply with the which I need to convert into terms of 60. Okay, okay, to multiply which number we need to multiply to make into 60. Okay, you can see that 5 12s are 60. That means to multiply with the 5 you can make it into what 60. So I need to multiply 5 with the numerator 2. It's become 35. Okay, now you can see that how many, which are the numbers we got? 36 by 60, 16 by 60, 35 by 60. Among this one you can find out, isn't it? So what are the numbers? 36 by 60, then 16 by 60, then what are 35 by 60. What was our question? We need to write from what? We need to write in ascending order. That means which one will come first? 16 by 60, then 36 by 60, then last 35 by 60. So this is our answer. Numerator small is this one. Understand? Now denominators are same. Now we can convert, isn't it? Which one having lower numerator, that is small, and which is having bigger numerator, that one will be what? That one will be the biggest one. Okay. So you can see that 16 by 60 and 36. Sorry. What are our answers? 36 by 16, 16 by 16 and 35 by 60. Okay, you can see that this is first one and this is second one and this is what? Third one. So these are our answers. Okay, this is our answer we will get. Okay, 16 by 60 will come first, then 35 by 16 second, 36 by 60 last one. Okay, so this is the way we have to write the numbers in what? Ascending order. Okay, if it descending order means opposite of that one. So this is the method. Okay.